Being able to read candlesticks is essential for traders because candlesticks tell you what is going on behind the scenes and whether the buyers or the sellers are the dominant market force. This is very important because it helps us estimate the likelihood for the price going up or going down next. A candlestick has four elements: the open price, the close, the high and the low. The open and the close build the so-called candlestick body. The high and the low form the candlestick wicks or shadows. The size of the candlestick body tells you how strong the candlestick has moved. A large green body indicates that the buyers are the dominant market participants. A large red body shows that the sellers are dominant. A small body shows an equilibrium between the two sides. Putting the elements of a candlestick together allows traders to form so-called candlestick patterns. The most important ones are the Pinbar. It consists of a large wick and a small body. The large wick shows a rejection of high price levels. The buyers tried to push the price higher initially, but the sellers were able to completely reverse it. A Pinbar in such a context may foreshadow more selling to come. The Engulfing. The Engulfing is a two-candlestick pattern where the second candlestick is significantly larger and is completely outside of the range of the first one. The Engulfing candlestick indicates a strong price push. The idea is that the price may continue into the direction of the second Engulfing candlestick. The Doji. The Doji is a neutral candle and it consists of a small body and two wicks to each side. It may indicate a pause or the end of a trend, but only in the right context a Doji can be interpreted with meaning. The Evening Star. The Evening Star is a three-candlestick pattern. An Evening Star is a reversal candlestick pattern and it shows the gradual shift in market powers. On the left, the market moves strongly higher. The Doji then symbolizes the failed continuation. The third candle is a strong candlestick into the opposite direction. The idea is that the price will follow through into the new direction. Let us know which is your favorite candlestick in the comments below.